Welcome to my fetching art channel. Learning how to draw is a rewarding and enriching process. And second, when you draw something or art something is a very amazing process. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your skills, here are tutorial on why art and craft is important and how to get started. It encourages you to really look at the world around you. You need papers of different colors to make the small bags. For kids, it looks amazing. Creating a detailed art requires concentration, patience, and the ability to work through challenges. It can be meditative, reducing stress and promoting mindfulness as you become fully immersed in the process. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorial. Gesture drawing captures the action, motion or position of a subject. Use quick light strokes to capture the essence of the subject in a short amount of time. Mastering shading brings depth and realism to your drawing. Thanks for watching this video.